All right, so I just notified my group and I just posted this on Twitter. Make sure to follow me on Twitter. That way, if anything does happen to this account, of course, you always know where to find me if you're not in the group already. But scammer got me, guys. Scammer got me. I need more eyeballs on YouTube channel. I need more subscribers, everything else. And I got scammed. Dude said that he would help me out, get more viewers and also subscribers. I said, yeah, you know, because but this is like organic. That he kept on saying that it's gonna be organic. I said, all right, yeah, you know, I don't want to do anything bad, and it has to be organic. It's like, yeah, you know, organic. All right, cool. So, and he brought up the word organic, and sure enough, I paid, and then all the views were fake. They were clicked on and clicked off. So that's not good. And right now, somebody else messaged me who's a scammer. I know that. He said that my channel's at risk for getting banned. So I messaged the dude who I paid, and I say, hey, man, these fake views, they're gonna get me scammed. They're gonna get me banned. And it's like, oh, well, if you want me to remove the fake views, you have to pay me more money. And it's like, man, you can read the chat here. I put the chat, and then I put it on here. So basically, he reached out to me. I said, so basically I paid you to help me grow my channel, and because of what you did, now I have to pay you more so that I don't get banned. You know, it took me a lot of hard work to get this channel up and running where it's at. But like I said, I was just looking for additional help, just growing the channel, and I got scammed. So this channel may be deleted, hopefully, or banned. Hopefully it doesn't, but if it does, then I just have to start from scratch, do another YouTube channel or go somewhere else. But definitely follow me on Twitter, see where I go, see what I do, see if I create another channel, and I will. I don't know if it just depends. All right, that's all I got. I do thank you so much, and hopefully we'll see you tomorrow at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I give you free 1-hour mentorship every single day. All right, take care.